Alright friends, so till now what we have seen is we have done the basic configuration from the folder app. Just gone to the app folder and then did our basic configuration in config and mail, database, those things we have done, and we have created a controller called home controller, and from home controller we are saying that to render home.index.html, right? In the folder home we are calling the index.html file to render, right? So now we are going to use Smarty and update our templates. So what we are going to do is, the basic syntax to update the Smarty variables is we will be using single curly brackets, right, and with the name of the variable, right? So here if the name of the variable is, say for example, first variable, right? If you want to output a first variable here, alright, so you go here and say $Smarty of, just give it as in an array. Make sure you are having your uppercase or lowercase also the same values. So first variable equals hello user, you are testing for each to be Smarty. So it should be ended up with a semicolon, and here you will give it as $Smarty, right? So if you just come here and give a enter, it will say hello user, you are testing for each Smarty, right? So if you want to check whether this variable is entered here, just go to app and Smarty, give this debugging equal to true, right? And then now come and give a enter. So you will be having a JavaScript window which will give you the total rendering time of the page, and here if you see there will be, see this variable, right? So if you are not sure which variable has been coming into your template, you can use the debugging values, right? So this is a little bit smart. If you have a good experience with Smarty, you will be able to easily understand, or just follow the steps and create the page. So on the line you can understand what is Smarty, right? So for time being I'll just close it up, right? And sending variables to Smarty, it will be on a different set of basis you can send, right? So if you can use it like $Smarty, which is, don't forget to put the array symbol over there, it's always better, right? So it's a array of second variable, like so you can say this is the second variable, right? So if you go here, just give a break, so we'll have $second variable, right? So your second variable will be, it should be shown up over here. Sorry, second variable, right? So just, sorry, I gave a space over there, right? So this is the second variable. This is the another method of creating a variable, right? So $Smarty, you can give it as an array of arrays also, which is equals array of third variable. Remember, if there is a misargument between this and this variable, you will be getting a white screen. So this can be removed by using the debug of Smarty, right? So third variable, which is an again a array of third variable a hyphen a comma third variable hyphen b. So in this case, in these methods, you can send multiple values to the template, right? So if I use click here, I didn't mention the third variable here, right? So I'll just make it as $third variable dot 0, right? Because this is an array and this is the 0th position, this is the first position, right? So dot 0. So I'll just copy and paste it again, and I'll make it as first position variable, right? So I'll just copy paste, right? So if I just give enter, right, see my third variable is a, and third variable first on that it's an array, so I am getting third variable a and third variable b. So this is the basics of using a controller. In the next video we will see how to use it with the layouts, right?